Dear students, we are learning here distinction between values and ethics. It is the topic of professional ethics. First of all, definition of ethics. By the term ethics, we mean a branch of moral philosophy, a sense of rightness or wrongness of action, motive and motives and the rules result of these actions. In short, we can say it is a combination of good things and bad things which can consider or achieve any task. That is called ethics. It is a discipline that identifies good or bad or evils, just or unjust, fair or unfair practices about moral duty. It is well-based standard that a person should do concern rights, obligations, fairness, benefits to society and so on. The standard puts a reasonable obligations to stop crimes like stealing, assault, rape, murder, fraud, and so on. These all consider into the bad things or badness or wrongness. Definition of values. Values refer to importance and enduring belief or principles based on which an individual makes judgments in life. It is at the center of our lives, which act as standard of behavior. They severely affect the emotions, state of mind of an individual. They can be personal values, cultural values, or corporate values. Ethics and values together lay the foundation for sustainability. While they are sometimes used synonyms, they are different, wherein ethics are the set of rules that govern the behavior of a person established by a group or culture. With combination of good and bad, values refer to the beliefs for which a person has enduring preference. Ethics and values are important in every aspect of life. When we have to make a choice between two things, wherein ethics determine that what is right, values determine what is important. Ethics combine good things, bad things, and values give us importance as well as uh, how much it is valuable, that is given by values. In the world of intense competitions, everywhere business entity work on certain principles and beliefs which are not which are nothing but the values. Likewise, we can see here number of competitions are there in every field. If we are considering job, if we are considering in schooling, if we are considering in learning, if we are considering achieve goal or in other manner for success, for promotions, for earning money. In every era there is a competitions, so you can consider all these into the values. Likewise, ethics is implemented in the organizations to ensure the protection of the interest of stakeholders like customers, suppliers, employees, society, and government. And compared to values, ethics are applied over the organizations like government organization or private sectors. It is for employer or it is for employee, it is for government, or it is for personal or man to man, or you can say it is uh, for humans, that is applying. For the further, it will be give us comparison of ethics and values and importance of ethics and values. In next class, we can compare ethics and values in different points. Here we have one diagram which contain some topics of points of ethics as well as values, in which we can say like, accepted, connected, welcome, include, popular, involved. These are the wanted, helpless, unprotected, insecure, powerless. Weak, we can consider that is badness or unhealthy ethics. Strong, powerful, certain, protected, secure, safe, that is called good ethics. Valuable, productive, admire, worthy, that is called values. Left out, exclude, avoided, rejected, alone, that is considered into the moral. Now basis for comparison, we can compare ethics and values. On first basis, it is meaning. Ethics refers to the guidelines for conduct that address questions about morality. It is a, we can say ethics can be a with good moral or can be a with bad moral, that is considered into the meaning. We can, how we can conduct ethics, that is with good morality. Values is defined as a principle of idea that helps them in making judgment of what is more important. Values give us importance and ethics give us morality. Morality in terms of good things or bad things. Values in terms of importance, how much important it is, what is the value of everything, that is considered into values. Next comparison, that is what are they. Ethics can be a system of moral principles. We can consider one organization, one system with good moral, that is called ethics. Compared to that, values are stimulating for thinking, how the person is thinking for other, or one team is thinking for other thing, one nation is thinking for other nation, that is considered into the values. How much we can value to others, that is considered into what they are. Next comparison, that is consistency. Ethics can be uniform, it can be a good or it can be a bad. It is based on totally morally. Inconsistency value we can consider it can be different from person to person or team to team or nation to nation. Values can be changed. Here we can consider one organization which have three layers, like management layer, middle layer and lower layer. Thinking of higher level means management level has differ compared to middle layer, and it is very differ compared to uh, worker layer, or you can say lower layer. So it is vary from man to man. Tells what is morally correct or incorrect in the given situation. What we want to do to achieve values. How we can achieve values, that is considered into the tales. Determines extent of rights or wrongs of our options and how much important. So level of importance, that is considered into determines what it does. It does constraints, motivates, that is considering into ethics. Ethic contains and values can be motivates. Now key difference, here we have seen different wise basis of comparison. Simple comparison. Now we are going to discuss it in deep. The key difference between the ethics and values. The fundamental differences between ethics and values are described in the given below points. Ethics refer to the guidelines for conduct that address questions about morality. Compared to that, value is defined as a principle and idea which helps them to make the judgment of what is more important, what is more valuable, that is considered into the values. Ethics is a system of moral principles in contrast to values, which is stimulate of thinking. Values strongly influence to emotion state of mind, therefore it acts as a motivator. On the other hand, ethics compels the following follows a particular course of actions. Ethics are consistent, whereas values are different from different to different person. It means what is important for one person may not be important for another person. As we discussed earlier, that it is can be differ from level to level of organization. If we can consider ethics, that can be a three level: management, middle, and lower layer. In management, we can consider HR, CEO, all kind of persons. In middle level, we can consider manager, head, etc. In lower layer, we can consider worker labels. So applying over that uh, consistency, it means ethics can be consistent and it can be differ from person to person values. If we can consider ethics, so for ethics are common for middle level, it is common for lower layer, all the persons which are considered into lower layer, and it is common for all the persons which are considering into higher level. And compared to values, uh, if we can consider in higher level, one person how they can judge a worker, that is different compared to management differently person. One CEO can how can that person is going to judge worker, and one trustee how can that person is going to judge the workers. So it is, we can say man to man it can be changed. So that is a difference of ethics and values. Values tell us what we want to do or achieve in our life, whereas ethics help us to decide what is morally correct or incorrect in the given situation. Values can decide our goals, and ethics can decide behavior, good behavior or bad behavior, for achieve that goal. How we are going to achieve that goal, that is explaining ethics. And what is my goal? What is that is describing values. Ethics determines to what extent our options are right or wrong, as option as opposed to values, which defines our priorities for life. Ethics can explain what is right things and what is wrong things, and very opposed or very different to that, what is our first priority or what is our second priority, that is decided by values. Now going to conclude the comparison. While ethics are consistently applied over the period and remain same for all the human beings, values have an individualistic approach. That means it varies from person to person but remains stable, relatively unchanging, but they can be changed over the time due to a significant emotional events. Values and ethics are very different, in which values we can say it is a behavior to achieve. In we can say ethics it is a behavior, good things or bad things, or in values we can say it is a task or destination that we want to reach. Thank you.